Hi, this is Jeffrey Rhodes from experimentalhomesteader.com, and today we are talking about the Fortress Security Store wireless doorbell. This has an operating range of 500 feet, has over 50 chimes. There's no batteries required for the receiver. There is a battery required for the outside doorbell, and it does the the package comes with the battery for the outside piece.
Ringer?
No, it's actually the doorbell. The chime piece, the ringer piece, basically, fits into a wall socket. It will fit any wall socket, and you can place it anywhere within your house up to 500 feet from the remote part of it that goes outside. And so you could put it in, say the kitchen, so that when someone pushes the button outside, it'll ring in the kitchen and you can hear it if you spend a lot of time in the kitchen. You could also put it in a bedroom if you preferred it, in a bedroom or in a hallway. As long as you're within the 500 feet, you're going to have, the sound. Or you can put it right there next to the door in the living room, anywhere you want it. It does have 50 different ringtones. We did plug it in at one point and go through some of the ringtones. There's a wide variety. It's a number of musical tones, including some Christmas tunes, all sorts of different things. There's some bells with a bird chirping. There's your standard doorbell. It also has a volume control. You can adjust it. There's like 5 different settings of volume, so you can have it real soft or you can have it real loud. I really think this is a great thing. It sounded great. It does come with all the mounting pieces. It has the screws and everything. It also has a sticky foam for the back of the doorbell to help you to mount it in the right location. Has the instructions on how to mount it, all of that. Very simple, very easy to use, simple installation instructions. I think this is going to be a great little doorbell for us. We did receive this for free or at a discounted price for our honest reviews. All opinions are our own. And at this point, I think I'm going to say have a good night and enjoy yourself.